How to retire in 10 years with $0 now. Jack, a 21-year-old, has recently landed a job at a multinational company. His monthly salary is enough to cover all of his debts, and he is currently living the dream life that many of us hope to have in our late 20s. However, his joy was short-lived when one of his close friends shared their retirement plans for 10 years from now. Jack appears completely perplexed, since he never considered such things. Just like Jack, majority of us have never had a retirement plan due to lacking financial skills or knowledge. We all can relate to Jack, since we frequently encounter questions about life after retirement. However, we have researched a lot and listed the top 10 easy-to-follow hacks. And with the help of this video, we'll guide you on how to retire in 10 years with $0 now. This is Stack and Invest, your one-stop destination for all things finance. Just tap the subscribe button, and we will provide you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to achieve financial independence. Number 10. Determine your retirement goals. First of all, you need to figure out how much money you will need to cover all your expenses. You can start by analyzing your current budget. Check the expenses and see what expenses will increase or decrease after retirement. And yes, consider expenses like housing, healthcare, transportation, and food. Next thing is retirement age. Set a retirement age. Let's say you are planning to retire in 10 years. In this way, you have a specific timeline to work with. Next step is determining a retirement location. Your retirement location plays a significant role in determining your retirement expenses. Let's say, after retirement you are planning to live in an area that is a bit costly. It will affect your retirement budget, so you must consider moving to a lower cost of living area after retirement. Number 9. Live below your means. To live below your means, you don't have to give up your iPhone, or sell your car, or to live on street. You just need to reduce your expenses to contribute more fund towards your retirement accounts. It would also help you to pay off debts faster. In addition, you can also try a few smart hacks to lower your expense ratio, such as using coupons, shopping during sales, and buying items in bulk. The most recommended and best ever psychological hack is to create a budget and stick to it, although it may require making sacrifices and cutting back on certain luxuries. But practicing this smart hack will ensure a happy retirement life. Number 8. Assess your current financial situation. To assess current financial situation, you need to follow a few essential steps. First, you need to determine your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between your total assets and your total liabilities. Start with making a list of all your assets, such as your home, car, investments, savings accounts, and retirement accounts. Now you need to make one more list of all your liabilities, including your mortgage, car loans, student loans, credit card debt, and any other debts you may have. Now make a simple subtraction. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets and you will get total assets to calculate your net worth. After getting the net worth, next step is evaluating income. Your income is the biggest factor to determine your financial situation. Start with calculating monthly income. Add your paycheck, any side hustles, and any other sources of income. Next, subtract monthly expenses from monthly income and you will get disposable income. This is the amount of money you have left over each month after paying your bills. Now, it's time to analyze your expenses. List out all your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation costs, and any other bills you have, and then do the most important task. Categorize your expenses into essential and non-essential categories to determine where you may be able to cut back on spending. The last step, review your investments. It's quite simple. Just make a list of all your investment accounts, including 401k, IRA, and brokerage accounts. By following these steps, you can easily assess your current financial situation. However, you can ask a financial advisor if need. Number 7. Increase your income. Whenever we talk about early retirement, increasing income is an important aspect. By earning more money, You can pay off debts faster and save more money for your retirement. There are several ways to increase your regular income. You can do a part-time job. If not, the best way is to find freelance work. It allows you to make more money by utilizing your spare time. If you are not sure about your expertise, you can also try some side hustles such as selling goods or providing services, which can generate additional income. The easiest way to make easy cash is by reselling household items that you hardly require, such as clothing or electronics. Number 6. Create a budget. Creating a budget is crucial when planning for retirement, as it helps you estimate your expenses, plan for unexpected costs, and control your spending. A budget can also provide you with the flexibility to adjust your retirement plan as needed to ensure that you can retire comfortably. By carefully considering all of your expenses, including housing, healthcare, transportation, and leisure activities, you can determine how much money you will need to cover your expenses and maintain your desired lifestyle during retirement. Additionally, including a cushion for unexpected expenses in your budget can help you avoid being caught off guard and ensure that your retirement savings can cover unexpected costs. Ultimately, creating a budget can provide you with the financial security and peace of mind you need to enjoy your golden years. Number 5. Eliminate debt. Eliminating debt is quite challenging. When you are living in 21st century and everything is available on installment system, debt, particularly high-interest debt like credit card debt and personal loans, can quickly accumulate and become a significant financial burden. These debts hold you back from saving for retirement or investing in other areas, and soon you find yourself far away from building a solid financial foundation for the future. To break this debt cycle, you should start with paying off high-interest debts such as credit card debt and personal loans. Focusing on high-interest debt first can provide immediate relief and allow individuals to start building momentum towards their long-term financial goals. When high-interest debts are paid off, paying the remaining debts, such as a mortgage or car loan, become easier. By paying off these debts, you can have more money for retirement savings. Number 4. Invest for retirement. Saving for retirement is a time-consuming process that requires a good amount of time, effort, and patience, but it is worth it in long run. The first option to start saving for retirement is IRA, individual retirement account, either a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. These accounts have tax advantages, so ultimately at the time of retirement, you will have more money to enjoy your life. Moreover, employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as a 401k or 403b plan, are also great opportunities to save money for retirement, if they are available to you. Number 3. Maximize your savings. This is the most challenging step in your way to a retirement plan, and most people fail to pay attention to this step. However, there are several ways to maximize your savings. Let's start with your home. First, make your home energy efficient. Investing in energy-efficient appliances may sound a bit expensive, but in long run, it would help you to save on your energy bills. Next is transportation. Use public transportation whenever possible, or plan carpooling with your colleagues. Additionally, opt for fuel-efficient vehicles can save you money on gas and maintenance costs in the long run. Number 2. Plan for the unexpected. Unexpected circumstances are hard to predict. You can't be accurate about the place and time when your car is going to break down. Life can be unpredictable, and it's important to have a plan B to protect yourself and your family. A recommended suggestion by financial experts is to purchase life insurance and disability insurance. Life insurance is a kind of savior that provides financial support to your family in case of the sudden death of a breadwinner of the family, while disability insurance helps you to maintain your income in case of illness or injury. The best bright side of having insurance is that it saves your retirement fund from unexpected expenses such as car repairs or medical bills. Number 1. Remember to stay focused. Staying focused is critical, especially when we talk about achieving retirement goals in a short period. There are lots of distractions that can ruin your retirement plans, such as discount tags, offers, a new iPhone model, and the list is endless. But You have to stay focused on your WHY. Why are you planning a retirement goal? Why your goal is at the top of your priority list. These whys will help you to get rid of any distractions. Retiring in 10 years with $0 is possible with careful planning and discipline. By following these steps, you can create a solid retirement plan and achieve financial independence in a relatively short amount of time. Remember to stay focused on your goals and take small steps towards achieving them every day. For more financial content, tap the red subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.